Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV almost reach over here already. God Almighty.
But I'm going to tell you, Tani make the whole of them attack now because that's exactly where it go. If you listen to all of them mix up, listen to all of them mix up and all who did say them know Tani start own it up, say them know the girl and all them have all voice note and receipt where Kim has sent money to the girl. I remember say Kim tell me other day, say she don't know this girl, she and this girl and a friend, Brandon and the girl a friend and Brandon and Tani a friend. And Tani make them talk. And Tanya make them talk. Lord Jesus Christ. And Tanya make them talk. And the whole of them set it up. Them send the girl did for go beat Tani. But the girl ended up kill Tani because she think Tani wasn't going to put up a fight back with her. And she said Tani rush her back with her backer. So she run back Tani down with a gun and shoot Tani in her head. She never go for go shoot Tani. She go for go beat up Tani. That's what she go there for. She and her friend them go there to beat up Tani, but Tani ending up dead because Tani defend herself. Yes, I was on her Facebook page. I see everything to Lexi because she put the cartoon, the animated character with Tani up on the ground in at the party and the people them run her and so on. But the problem with she was only saying that she doesn't like Jamaican. She was only saying that she don't like Jamaican. She never have no problem with Tani. She just don't like Jamaican because even there was a video on it where she beat up one other Jamaican girl and juke the girl in her blood clot and the girl, yeah, did a bleed. But the reason why the girl never fight her back because it was she and her friend them out there to jump the girl. So the girl never fight back because I see it up on her Facebook page. I see it on her Facebook page too where she put her animated body with dead on the ground. I like them. I say, Kiki, run, Kiki, run, Kiki. They said it's Kiki, blah, blah, blah. I say all of them something there. I say all of them something there, but I send that girl for fight Tani. That's exactly what I say. Should them know this girl have a vengeance against Jamaican and she don't like Jamaican. And not only that, them know say she's cuckoo, she mad. So open the whole of them plan up and send the girl go kill Tani. Go beat for fight Tani. That's exactly what happened. Listen to all of the mix up and the whole of the something them. Because Tani dead to Safara. Tani dead through Safari because as she come tell Tani say, hope say about some borrowing money, $4,000 for keep down, some borrowing money for keep the party where Tani did keep her mother party, and some $4,000 borrowing. Safari carry hope name to Tani. And make Tani and hope in a problem. Because through Safari and Kim and hope them have them passa. She, Safari draw Tani in her head and Tani bite out. That's exactly what happened. Yeah. Because even see that even other day over step on the line, so them send for them with a trail Tani and try find Tani yard. A trail Tani for find out where Tani live and all them take picture, them want to take picture at Tani house. So that's why I know say Hope, Kim and Brendan is the one. Safari have nothing to do with it. Safari just is the cause of it. Because shoot Tani buy out our argument with she and Kim and the wall with she and Kim and Brendan and the wall of them. That's what really caused Tani death. Because Tani buy out the argument for Safari because Safari come put Tani in a mix up and say, Hope say she borrow $4,000 or some money for keep towards the party where she keep for her mother. Her mother both tried. So what they did now, them send the girl for go look for Tani. Tani don't have no idea, so she and this girl have a problem. And they can see it in the video, say, Tani do not know that she and this girl have a problem. Tani don't know that. That's why Dan ball out in rejoice, because she didn't know the girl want war. Yes. The girl never go with the intention to kill Tanny, but true, she said Tanny, I go fight out back her blood clot because Tanny run go for her back because I go tell you the truth, if Tanny did get the chance with her back there and broke it up, Tanny would have stabbed up her blood clot because me know Tanny. Kim was the only person that knew. Kim was the only person that knew the man, the hot head, the hot head and Tanny. I don't know what you talk about, you know. Tanny Pickney need justice, Tanny born and grow need justice. We did. Nothing no go so. Nothing no go so. Not a thing no go so. A lot of them a tell about Tanny and fuck the girl, man. Nothing don't go like that. And if Tanny even did do that, that is the reason why them send the girl to come kill Tanny. Because through them know so the girl had a hot head. That is the reason why them tell the girl and the girl come fight Tanny. That is one of the reasons why them tell the girl and the girl come fight Tanny for so be the case. As I was said, them send this girl to come and kill Tanny. She don't come kill Tanny, she come to fight Tanny, but accidentally Tanny get a gunshot and dead. Of course the whole of them know. Cornflakes, me still a wait for you. Cornflakes, me still a wait for you, but I will make me send me information and all know me not hear from you. Cornflakes. That's exactly what happened. Through them know so the girl is a hot head and so on. The one of them instigate the girl and tell the girl say Tanya fuck her man. If that so be the case then. If Tanya even not fuck the girl man, well that so be the case then. Because Tanya don't know the girl. Tanya don't know the girl. If Tanya even not fuck the girl man, if that so be the case then, and them tell the girl say Tanya fuck her man and then to them know the girl a hot head, she come kill blood clot Tanya. If it so be the case. Look when Tanny ride past the girl, she was clueless about her surround. That's what I'm saying. That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying too. Even when Tanny was in the party, you can see that Tanny don't have no idea about this girl. You can see that Tanny don't expect it. She and this girl for in a no problem. Lord Jesus, you can see that Tanny don't know this girl. The whole time Tanny ride up and down in the party, you can see that Tanny don't know this girl. Even outside of the party, you can see that Tanny have no idea so this girl come about her. You can see that Tanny have no idea about this girl. But what they put in the girl head to comfort Tanny. Cornflakes, are you may I talk to? Tanny did a fuck the girl, man, for true, because she talk it yesterday. Very clueless, Jano. The girl went to fight Tanny. The girl wasn't waiting to attack Tanny. Exactly, that's what I'm saying for true. But she was there in the club waiting all along, Lexi. She was there waiting, because you can see the video where she stake out and wait for Tanny. So she get the opportunity for wait till Tanny come outside now. Then she start to approach Tanny. Exactly. Nobody not talking about what you talking about conflicts, but let's talk about Tanny in a good way. What you mean by nobody over here not talking nothing bad about Tanny? Tanny is my friend. And I'm talking about the whole situation with the whole death and out instigate and what it look like. What you talking about, conflicts? Nobody over here not talking about. We're talking about the whole situation with what happened. I'm not gonna stop talking about Tanny because me and mourn, I'm a feel it for my friend. So I don't want nobody come over here and talk crap to me and tell me, so let's stop talking about Tanny. I'm going to talk about the whole situation. Tanny was my friend. Tanny was my friend, and Uno don't know what me I feel sometime in my house. Even though men are cuss and carry on, Uno don't know how me feel about Tanny's situation sometime in my house. You know what time me in my house and me I cry my mind on pan Tanny, but Uno don't know these things. So don't tell me not to talk about Tanny. We are talking about the whole situation and the surrounding at Tanny death. That's what we're talking about. And she not gonna rest in peace until she get justice. That's the only time she rest in peace, when she get justice. Tani don't know this girl. If Tani did not go with her girl, if Tani did not go with her girlfriend, no, you don't need to apologize, but you stay. Sometimes what we said out of our mouth, it can be very affected to other people, because that statement where you just say conflicts, I'm not gonna lie, me not gonna cuss out your Ratti cup a while ago, but me said, you know what, you have your right to your opinion, because me feel hurt when you go talk about, let's talk good about Tani and let she rest in peace. We're not talking about Tani. We are talking about the whole surrounded and what make Tani dead. And me a person, me don't know about nobody else. Me still a mourn. I'm still in mourning about the death of my friend. And if me could have get that girl for kill her, me would have kill her. And that me couldn't know with no water in my mouth. If I could have shoot that girl and kill her, I would have take revenge for Tani. That's how me feel. And when Tani dead, I feel the same way like, oh, the day when my mother dead. The same way, oh, I feel when my mother dead. The same way I feel when Tani dead. And up until now, I still feel that way. Because I can't believe that Tani dead. So this is something that I'm going to always talk about. I'm going to forever talk about it. All we said, the whole of them know about Tani dead. Kim, Safari, and the whole of them. But them never send the girl for kill Tani. Them send her for fight Tani. But Tani ended up dead. Exactly. I know the whole of them have something to do with it. The one of them have something to do with the death of I Sexy Iggy. The one of them, because when I listen to the whole heap of voice note and all who say, because even other day, when I say, Kim, what a way you trail Tani, I make them go kill Tani. That means you know about Tani dead. She said she don't know about it and she don't know the girl and all of these things. And then see it there, you hear say Kim has send money go give the girl. And then you see people post picture with Kim and the girl. I remember nobody never know the girl. Everybody said them don't know about Tani dead and Hope know about Tani dead. And them don't, I'm not gonna say them know about Tani dead, because Tani never did for dead. The one of them send the girl did for beat up Tani, but Tani ending up dead. You understand what I say? Because the feelings are carried, because Hope and Safari and Kim and the one of them kick off, and them claim to say Tani buy out the argument and pick side with Safari. And I can remember clearly for true when Safari tell Tani, oh, Hope says some borrow money, some $4,000 borrow for put towards the mother boat ride where they keep. Of course, Kim know a lot. I know that Kim know a lot. Even when them up on the live attack other day before yesterday, I know that Kim know a lot when that she attack. I know that Kim know a lot, because even when Safari come, because I'm not going to lie, I don't believe Safari know nothing about the girl killings. Yes, Safari know the girl. Yes, Safari talk to the girl. But Safari tell me why she talk when she don't talk to the girl. Safari says she don't keep friends with this girl because she realized that this girl is a mad girl and this girl is a bad girl and she will fight. So Safari said she take her with a pinch of salt. And I can understand that, sir. She says she and the girl is not friend because of the girl behavior. Just like how enough people don't talk to me because them claim to say me is a bully. That's what I know. The whole of them know about the killing of Tani. All of them know about it. The whole of them know about it. I'm going to cut my ear in the people, but me just stuff, me no want to cut my ear. All of them, Kim, Safari, and Hope, and Dan know about Ratti, Christina, Bert, no fool. You crack the... Of course, half of me an idiot. Me no either. Remember, so I get where we come from, you know, we can put puzzle together and all of these things. After we're not stupid. Let me tell you this. Hope and Dan and Safari and Kim know about the beating where the girl did go get from Tanny. But the girl never did supposed to kill Tanny. The girl supposed to go there and fight Tanny. But you should realize that Tanny that go stab out her blood clot. That's why she draw the gun now and Tanny run for her life. Because she send the girl to come fight Tanny. Hope, Kim, and Safari, and Dan, and wait name, they send the girl to come war with Tanny, but the girl buck up and realize that Tanny will fight her back. Watch Ratti in a vest. I mean watch me in a vest, me always in a blood clot vest. Me not trust Dan to and Dan have a lot for second when she and Hope did a cuss. She said, Hope no make me talk, you know. I never hear when Dan and Hope did a cuss. Dan ball out and say, Hope no make me talk, you know. Hope no make me talk. The whole of them is the same blood clot set a drunk. But me glad say a toughie start this first. And that me I talk about cornflakes.